Hello, welcome to European Open Briefing for Wednesday, March the 27th. I'm Rafael Boyajan, currency analyst at xm.com, and we're going to be taking a look at what's happening in the currency markets today. So we are seeing a somewhat firmer US dollar this morning. The dollar rallied strongly yesterday as it rebounded from a last week's slump. The greenback came under pressure both from a more dovish Fed as well as from an inversion in the yield curve between 10-year and 3-month Treasury notes, signaling a possible recession in the US. Dollar yen, which rose strongly yesterday, we're seeing it's pairing some of those gains. It's down around 110.45 this morning. The euro also recovering a little bit, currently trading at 1.1280 against the greenback. Sterling continues to hover around the 1.32 level as investors await the outcome of the indicative votes due to start in UK Parliament later today, which could give more clarity on the next steps in the Brexit process. But the biggest loser this morning is the New Zealand dollar. It's down sharply. It was down even more earlier today, but at the moment it's still down by around 1.3%. It did dip below the 0.68 level. Now it's risen back above it. It comes that big slump comes after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand signaled that a rate cut is more likely than a hike. So now markets are pricing in a full rate cut before the year ends, and that's also obviously weighing on the Kiwi. Looking at equities, we're seeing small gains and in commodities. Gold, which had rallied above the 1,320 level, is once again and later fell back yesterday, is once again heading higher as the US dollar loses some momentum. And we can see that the dollar index earlier hit a 2-week high. It's now fallen back a little bit as we're seeing those treasury yields once again head low. We did see treasury yields stabilize yesterday, and now we're seeing the downslide resuming. We also had some poor data out of the US in the form of consumer confidence, as well as housing starts, raising fears of a deeper slowdown in the US economy. But the more immediate focus, though, will be on trade talks between the US and China. Those trade talks will resume in Beijing tomorrow, and they could likely affect market sentiment in the next couple of days. And a quick look there at the Kiwi, we can see that big drop there following the RBNZ remarks in their statement when they said that the next likely direction will likely be down. And also just a reminder that the vote in UK Parliament on those indicative votes will start after 19 hours GMT. So that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.